we're going to teach now. So today by 9, so let's prepare. I am not a preparing man. I am a prepared man. These things you are seeing now is a gradual process of what I've been doing over the years. Over the years. You cannot play away your life. That's what I'm teaching you guys tonight. That's what God asked me to teach you people. You can't. You will be 40 one day. Hey, you will be 40 and your kids will ask you questions. They will ask you questions. They will ask you. You will be 40, I guarantee you. If my dad was alive, they have questions for him. Plenty. I just feel pity for them. My mom, I will kill them with questions. So that's why they can't even try to harass me or tell me, why you know my. If you just ask me a stupid question, I will ask you one, you off. Because it's so real. It's too real. I'll ask you a real question of life. Answer. Now you can't answer. I know why you cannot answer. Because when your mates were busy persecuting life, you were doing something else. Now they've attained a certain position in life. But you are now at the backside of civilization. You need the word of God. There are only 2 ways to succeed in this life. Either you do Joshua chapter 1 verse 8, or you're going to find the devil's pattern. You can't sit on the fence. There's no sitting on the fence. Everybody that sits on the fence are the poor ones, are the ones that are lacking. Those that are extremely spiritual in the things of God are doing well. Those that are extremely spiritual in the things of the devil are doing well. There's no 2 ways about it. You're either spiritual positive or spiritual negative. There's no 2 ways. You must study the word of God. You must know it. It takes time, but it pays off. See this word of God? It pays. Everything you need is... Let's even finish that Joshua chapter 1 verse 8. Joshua chapter 1 verse 8. This book of the law shall not depart out of thy mouth. Thou shalt meditate upon it day and night. Then he says one that suits me. That one. People used to jump it. So that you may observe to do. I said the formula for success is Joshua chapter 1 verse 8. I learned it plenty years ago. Plenty years ago, like some 2006. That's when I learned it. Read it for me. So that you may observe. Hey! He said if you let's start from the beginning. He says, if you this book of the law, if you do not allow it to depart out of your mouth, right? If you always have it, you now are always meditating on it day and night, which is continually here, right? Then he now said, because you always have it around you. It's on TV, it's on your phone, it's everywhere, it's everywhere. You understand what I mean by it's everywhere? It's on your social media. If you go, see, if I give you my phone, to go on TikTok, you will become a pastor. Everybody's confused. Let me explain. Because of the way social media work, what you watch the most is what they will recommend to you the most. If you go on my TikTok, you think the whole of TikTok is a church. Because from one pastor to the other, from one pastor, that's what you just be seeing. I'm not saying the people I follow. If it's the one I follow, you will live inside church all your life. From one pastor to the other, they'll be recommending from one pastor to the other, from one church to the other, from one worshiper to the other. This is joy, is my witness. I don't know anything that's happening in this world. Like anything news, something happen, something. See,